Hey, hello friends. Welcome to our channel SAP SD and ABAP League Support. So today we'll discuss about the roles and responsibilities of different persons in the request for change and normal change. I mean that change document. So let's go one by one. The first one is that TDM, that is Technical Development Manager. Okay, so if you speak about TDM, Technical Development Manager, or in other words, we can say that responsible release management manager or management. So the release management TDM will be responsible of an transport movements from one system to another system, and mainly to the production system. So they will verify and validate whether the solution manager is correctly connected to the system and working fine, and they will define system lines. As I said earlier, every change cycle will have different system lines, so those will be configured by them only. So they will define which critical objects and allow list objects for standard changes, and the schedule import jobs will be scheduled by them, and they will take care of this bugs happening while running of the jobs. And the final consistency check will be performed by them only. And they finally gives them approval to import the changes to production. You see here, hand over to production, right? So this phase level, they will be authorized and they will be verifying the changes not going to impact anything in the production. If everything is fine, they will definitely provide an approval, and then we can move the changes to the next system. The TR will be handled by the TDM, Technical Development Manager. Next one is that requester. The requester represents the user department and ensures that the deliverables meets the requirements. And this person will be either a functional consultant or from the user department itself. So this requester will create the request for change, and he will describe the requirement, and he will assign this RFC to the project manager. So once it's validated, the requester has to approve the realization of the change and provides test approval after implementation of the change. So once changes are moved to quality system, then he will do the testing. If everything is fine, he will confirm to move next level. So he is the requester actually. And if you check the next one, change manager or project manager. So this project manager or change manager will validate the requirements, right? And provide the effort estimation and confirms realization date. And he will assign the leads or his developers. And he will ensure the test availability of the test approval. These are the main goals of this role, change manager. Obviously, we'll be having one developer here. So developer, obviously, he will do the development of changes. Either it might be in ABAP changes like code development, function model, programs, class methods, or any layout, smart forms development, or Adobe forms. And in case of customizing changes like creating a new output type or access sequence, text determination, any condition types, sales document types, anything, any customizing activity from functional and also called as developer only here. So developer means it represents both the consultants, ABAP consultant as well as functional consultant. He is the main person who will do the development as per the requirement received from the requester. And the next we can have there is one more person called tester. So when the changes has been done, move to quality means the tester will take care of the responsibility. Sometimes the requester and tester will be same. In other cases, both will be different person. Okay, so these are the main 5 roles are there in that one request for change document. Hope this video will be very helpful to you guys. We can catch up in the next video. Bye for now.